Hey guys, welcome back. So quick video going over a set of rim lights for Bob in North Carolina. This is for his Slingshot. So one of the things we notice here is we've got 3 rings with 4 rows. Each row is alternating. So one goes clockwise, second goes counterclockwise, third goes back clockwise like the first one, and the fourth one is like the second where it goes counterclockwise. So you get a little bit more unique pattern with this, all right? When you buy a kit, it's one of the questions I ask you is what size rims you've got, so I can make something tailor fit specifically for you. And then we go, do you want them all in the flowing in the same direction, or do you want them alternating? Okay, so again, more customized for you. It doesn't cost anything more. It just gives you more options to be more unique. Okay. Along with that, what do we got? I got it on my notes here, but 32. We've got about 48 feet of wire. Of LEDs. Okay, for the rim lights. I think it's 32 feet for the body kit. And so these are the strips in the lengths that he wanted. And so he's got 2 strips at 75 inches, 2 of them at 48 inches, 4 of them at 12 inches, 1 of them at 24 inches, and 2 of them at 36 inches. And then we've got the control box. So like you've seen in the other video, super simple. This is set up to be able to control the rims separately from the interior lights, which also can be controlled all separately from the exterior lights. And that's why you'll see the 3 controllers here. And I've just identified those for him so he knows which is which. Okay, the power supplies, one covers the rims, one has enough amperage to cover the interior and exterior. So one of the things I have to do is when I'm building these is pay attention to how many feet of LEDs we're running so that I can calculate the amperage so we know what power supply to use. We still want to keep our 80% rule, okay, and then build everything accordingly. All right, so that's pretty much what you see right here. This is going to be a super awesome kit. Again, these aren't jack-in-the-box kits. They're not universal. They're not, one is for everybody. These are specifically specifically tailored, specifically made for whatever project you got, however you want it. And it's just really simple. All right, it's still a 3-wire hookup. All right, again, you got 2 wires. All right, so ground and battery. And then over here, we're going to have these 2, which is going to control the rims, and these 2, which control the interior and exterior. However, your trigger wires, 1, 2, 3, you see the green wires, 1, 2, 3. So your trigger wires from your rims will go here. So it's still 3 wires. Basically, you're going to go black and red from your rims here, black and red from your interior, exterior here, but then your green or blue from your rims going 1, your interior, and then your exterior. So that way you can control them all separate and individual. But this is going to make it a really hot, really unique kit. This isn't something you're going to find, on the shelf ready to go. It's not something that you're going to be able to build easily. It takes quite a time, especially with the control board, making sure everything is right. But anyway, just want to show these off to you guys real quick. If you got any questions, want some prices, let me know. Shoot me a message. Appreciate it.